Before pictures, time to upgrade my garden. I added a small patio to my garden. I got 25 bricks from Lowe's, priced at $4.28 each. I went back and got 16 more to make my patio bigger. I also added some small rocks between each brick. I used 2 bags of rocks from Lowe's, priced at about $4.95 each. I also bought a lot of flowers from Lowe's to brighten up my garden area to give it a very vibrant and beautiful look. I also went to Lowe's and bought this beautiful fire pit, okay? It was like $79 plus some change, some tax. You know what I mean? Oh, now, my garden is looking good. You can't tell me nothing, okay? I just went in and was like, hey, I'm fixing to upgrade. I wish I really had recorded this, but when I was done, I was like, man, I should have recorded this. So since I didn't record it, I just had to go on in and do a little picture slideshow. I am so sorry. But anyways, y'all pay attention to my fence. I just got the fence upgraded too, okay? The fence got upgraded and it was about close to $6,900 to get my entire back fence done. So I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. So once my fence was done, I was like, man, I gotta fix up my backyard for sure. Anyways, I'm just showing y'all all the angles and stuff, the pictures that I have taken and everything. And I also went in and bought a table set to go on my patio, okay, to match my fire pit. Also got an umbrella to go with it and all that, and I'll be showing pictures of all this stuff, okay? So I added soil to my flower bed to prepare for my fall/winter garden. I'm going to be planting like lettuce, cabbage, spinach, onions, and stuff like that. You know, that's good for the winter time, that can handle the cold, because I want a garden, okay, in the fall and the winter too. All right, so I went a little crazy with the rocks, but I just sprinkled the rocks all over the place, okay? It added that extra touch. Can't even get the words out that I needed. Okay, this is the furniture that I was talking about that I ordered or whatever, and I ordered this from Walmart. This simply gorgeous, okay? I liked it so much I got a bench to go to, and I'll be showing pictures of that, okay? And I'm getting another one to go on my front porch, you know? It's too beautiful. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with my garden. As you can see, I enlarged the patio. Like I said, I added 16 more bricks, which made it bigger because it actually looks like a patio now, because instead of a walkway. So I'm really pleased with that. So I used the fire pit. I went in on it. You can see a few of the ashes and stuff left, the burnt wood. I had to go ahead and try it out, and it was just so much fun, okay? Just love it. Okay? So I'm going to zoom on in on these chairs, okay? Really, really beautiful. It has like beautiful roses on them. It's just making my whole garden just pop, pop, pop. Yes, it's popping. All right. So here are my vegetables: lettuce, kale, greens. Okay. And I also planted cabbage and collard greens. And I'm going to add more things to my garden. You know, plant some seeds and see how it goes from there, y'all. Yeah. So this is pretty much it. And the last picture I'm pretty much going to show is to show you how the umbrella and stuff look as well. And here's my bench I was talking about. So everything turned out well, okay? And I'm very pleased with my garden. Just simply gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, I came out in the cold for you all to show you the finished results of my patio, where my fire pit and all that is. So let's go on in on it. So I added little trees and all that beautiful stuff. My patio, my fire pit that I didn't use once. Okay, this right here is so cool because it has some beautiful lights. and it's solar paneled. I got this from Walmart. Okay, the solar panel is all the way to the top of it. So here are my flowers. So you all seen the very first picture, and I will post another picture probably. I might, of how it looked before. I also went in and bought from eBay this greenhouse to keep some of my plants in, my summer plants. And I got figs. I got a fig tree, y'all. And it got some figs on it. Okay. But I planted this right here, this bush. These right here are like turnips, no, collard greens and cabbage. And this is, I believe, romaine lettuce and iceberg lettuce right there. Okay. My bench. Yes. Okay, I still have some work I gotta do with plant my seeds to get everything in my raised flower bed. This is it. So I thank you all so much for watching Princess Beauty TV, and I will see you all in the next video.